Hey 30-minute marketers, in today's quick video we're back talking about dot-to-dot puzzle books and we're answering a subscriber question. Finally making it asked, if you add dot-to-dot to other activity books in a book like you showed, of course this is referring to the quick start video. I'll put a card up here in the right hand corner. If you haven't seen that, go ahead, click that card and watch that, and then come back to this video to find out more about how to answer this question about how do you then take the dot-to-dot pages individually over to Canva to edit them and regroup them in the book. Can you somehow select single pages from the Kidz puzzle book PDF to convert to JPEG, then upload to Canva for adding those details to dot-to-dot outline? So finally making it. To answer your question, I'm just going to show you how this is done. First things first, let's pop over to Kidz puzzle book and generate that PDF puzzle book. So when you're inside a Kidz puzzle book, and there'll be a card up here in the right hand corner for a full review of this software, you can generate a book. In this case, in the video that's in the cards as well, we were talking about test 100 and we simply just generated a book which included this dot-to-dot of a dog. It also had some Sudoku. It also had some word scramble and some other ones. It was relatively small, I think about 11 or 10 pages, but the question that making it has asked is about this image right here. So this is going to be dependent on the software that you have, and it's also going to be dependent on the operating system you're working on. So I'm currently on a MacBook in Chrome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this file, and you can see it's 11 pages. So I'm going to download this as a PDF document. Then you can see it's going to download here. Then I'm going to show it in my Finder. Again, if you're on Windows, it's going to look a little different. It would open up in your Windows Explorer, but the point here is that you have the PDF document down on your hard drive. Then when you open that, you'll have the 11 pages, and this again on a Mac is a software called Preview. What you can do here is you can just export this, and then you have options to export this into different file formats. In this case, I'm going to use a PNG. This is the recommended file format for editing these type of files. So we'll go ahead, we'll save that. You can set the resolution here. Of course, make sure that the resolution is set as you need. But in this case, we're just going to go ahead and save this as it is. And underneath, what that's done is saved a PNG of the complete file. So we'll go ahead and open that. And again, this is a limitation of the preview software that I'm showing you in. If you have software that you paid for or other free software, then you'll need to use that to just get this one single file right here up to Canva. So in our case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all the other files out of this PNG document that Preview has created and create a single PNG file and then save that. So now I just have the single PNG dot-to-dot of the dog. We'll go ahead and we'll close that. Now we have that PNG file of the dog from the book exported as a PNG, and now we'll head over to Canva. And then once we're inside of Canva, what we'll do is create a design, and the design here is going to be a custom dimension. The puzzle book that we're working with, the Kidz puzzle book software, downloads the PDF in an 8.5 by 11 format, and of course that is in inches. So you need to set that to inches and go 8.5 by 11. Go ahead and we'll create that design. And then once you've created that design, what you want to do is you want to upload that PNG that we exported from the original Kidz puzzle book PDF. So in this case, you would click on upload an image or video, or you could just drag it from your desktop. So we'll go ahead and we'll just drag that over. As you can see, that's uploading right there. Then when it's finished uploading, you simply click it, add it to your document, make it as big or as small as you want it. Then of course, if you need to see it a little closer, you can zoom in right here. So say we zoom in at 75%, and we could zoom in 100% and get a little closer, because what I want to do is I want to add an eye. And to do that, I'm going to go to Elements, and I'm simply going to grab a circle. I'm going to shrink that circle down a little bit to about an eye size, or what I think an eye size of this dog should be. I'll go ahead and I'll pop the eye right there. I will change that to black. Now our dog has an eye. And of course you can get more creative with this, of course, as your artistic ability allows and your ability inside of Canva. So then at that point you have your dog with an eye. You've added an element inside of your dot to dot. And at that point, you simply want to come over and publish. Click download. You could download it in PNG, but you could also download it in PDF print. So what we'll do is we'll just download this as a PDF print, and we'll go ahead and we'll download that. Then that will download right there. You can see it downloaded. We'll go ahead and show that in our Finder. You can see here's the Ultimate Design PDF, the Untitled Design PDF that we downloaded from Canva. So you can see there, now there's your dog with his eye. And this is a single page. So now, to follow up with the question, can you somehow select single pages from the Kidz Puzzle Book PDF to convert to JPEG? We converted it to PNG in this case, then upload to Canva for editing those details to dot to dot outline. We edited the details, we added the details, the eye, to our dot to dot dog inside of Canva. Now to work with the PDFs, because we have two, let me show you those PDFs. We have Untitled Design PDF, which is our single page right here with our dog with the eye. Then we have the original Kidz Puzzle Book PDF that we downloaded, which is 11 pages right here. The dog without an eye, and then the other puzzles, which is the other 10 pages. So now to work with these PDF files, we're not going to use Canva. We're going to use a separate software, which is readily available and free online, and it's called iLOVEpdf. Of course, all the links for everything I talk about will be in the description, so be sure to check that out. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to merge these PDF files. Simply go here and select the PDF files, or you can drop the PDF files right here on the screen. So we'll go ahead and we'll drop those in there. We'll drop in the Kidz Puzzle Book PDF. Then we'll add some more files, which will be our Untitled Design we brought down from Canva. So now you can see that we have the Assembled Book PDF, which was from the Kidz Puzzle Book, and we have the one from Canva with the eye. We'll go ahead and we'll merge those files. And once those files are merged, you go ahead and you simply click Download Merged PDF. You'll see down here that it merged those together. You show those in your Finder. Now you have a merged PDF. When you open that, you're going to see that you have 12 pages. You have the original pages with all the puzzles, and then your dog with the eye is at the last page. If you want to reorder those, you simply go back to iLOVEpdf. And inside of iLOVEpdf, you see they have tons and tons of tools, and one of the tools they have is Organize PDF. Then you simply select the PDF file that you want to organize. In this case, this is our merged PDF file. You'll see there that you have all the pages in order. In this case, we want to delete the dog with no eye. And then we want to scroll down to the bottom here and say you want to move this back to the first page. You simply just drag it up and drop it back in the first page position. Go ahead and you click Organize. It will organize the PDF for you in the background. And then you simply download that PDF. That will download. Then you can show that again. Now you see that we have a merged organized PDF. You open that file. Now you have 11 pages again. You have your dog with his eye. And then you have all your other puzzles inside of your puzzle books in an 8.5 by 11 PDF format, ready to publish to KDP. So finally making it, and everyone else watching, if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that to subscribe to get more awesome content, just like the video here on the end screen. Click that, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.